In this video, we're going to look at how you can gift a credit booster to one of your reseller clients. Now to do this, we just need to click on the client that we wish to send a credit booster to. Let's click on Philip. Okay, we can see the gifted package section over here. So at the moment, they have a credit booster balance of 2,911. If you wish to gift them additional sends, we just click on the edit button to open the control window. We can see here is a credit booster slider. You can use the credit booster slider to gift credits or take them away. You can see the new balance over here. If though you wish to enter a specific number, you can click inside the box and simply key it in. Okay, we're now going to gift this user 5,000 cents. To update and apply, just click on the close button and the software will ask you if you wish to make the update. We can now see they have a credit booster balance of 5,000 and this is now live, ready to use.